Why would you want to visit Berlin? What is the background to all the things that make the beer city unique? Follow me as we discover a city headed into the future with learnings from its complex past. We kick things off from Alexanderplatz, the largest square in Berlin. The square is named after Tsar Alexander I the Blessed, who was Emperor of Russia from 1801. Alex is known for iconic sites like the TV Tower, the wartime clock, and the Fountain of Friendship. Alexanderplatz is a bustling shopping area and a robust transport hub to connect the rest of the country. Next up is the Berliner Dom, the largest Protestant church in Germany. Just a 10-minute walk from Alexanderplatz across the Spree River, the cathedral was completed in 1905 and has come to define Berlin city. Built in Neo Baroque style with an imposing dome, the cathedral is noted for being the primary burial site for the Prussian royal family, the Hohenzollerns. From its roof, you can enjoy a breathtaking panoramic view of Berlin. I would say climbing the 270 steps to the dome is definitely worth it. The Berliner Dom is located on Museum Island, and as you can guess, is surrounded by museums. It will take weeks exploring all 5 museums on the island, so let's dive into just one. The News Museum, famous for housing the iconic bust of Nefertiti, the famous queen of ancient Egypt. The News Museum dates back to 1855. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and houses the Egyptian Museum and the Museum of Prehistory to the Middle Ages, showcasing human civilization from the Stone Age onwards. News Museum provides an insight into the past and a guide to the future. We move on to the Reichstag, home to the Bundestag. Built in 1894, the building is famous for its glass dome, which symbolizes transparency in government. Free to visit, the dome offers a 360-degree view of the city. Next time I'll be sure to not miss my slot to go into the building. Socks. A 5-minute walk brings us to the Brandenburg Gate, Berlin's iconic monument. Built in 1791, it was once a symbol of division during the Cold War and is now Germany's most prominent landmark of unity. Brandenburg's design was inspired by Athens' Acropolis, featuring a chariot-drawn quadriga on top. It witnessed Napoleon's triumph, Nazi parades, and now stands as a symbol of German unity and freedom. It really is an amazing edifice. South of the Brandenburg Gate, you can find the Holocaust Memorial. It opened in 2005 and features nearly 3,000 concrete slabs of varying heights, plus an underground information center. It is raining as I'm walking through the grounds, providing a cold consciousness of the reality behind this monument. The memorial is a reminder that we must learn from the past and ensure that history like this never ever repeats itself anywhere in the world. A train ride will take you to the East Side Gallery, the world's longest open-air gallery. It is a stretch of the Berlin Wall that has been transformed with over 100 murals. It was painted by over 100 artists from 21 countries and features iconic works like the Fraternal Kiss and the Trabant car breaking through. It is a major Berlin landmark, a must-see during your visit to the city. While these are some of the top things to do in Berlin, they are actually chapters in Berlin's history, which is linked with that of the world, almost like a bridge between the past and what the future holds. So that's it for the video of the capital city of Germany. What strikes you most about Berlin? Please let me know in the comment section below. And after this amazing video of Berlin, you should check out this one of Amsterdam, Netherlands' incredible capital. Click here to watch it now.